Hi guys, showed you I picked this up in a charity shop for £15. A DWi Dowellin robot vacuum cleaner, which when you actually look at the instructions is manufactured by Lecent in China, and obviously they've rebranded it for DWi Dowellin. Anyway, £15 in a charity shop, but it didn't come with the charger. There's a socket on the top there. There's a 18650 lithium ion battery inside. I've had a look, and we don't have the plug to go in that socket. So I've had a look through what I've got. I've got this universal adapter or charger, which comes with a selection of plugs, and that one is the right size to go in there, but I don't want to trust that charger to charge a 3.7 volt lithium ion battery. The options it gives us is 3 volts, 4.5, 5, 6, 7.5, 9 and 12. So I've cut the cord. I've used a couple of JST connectors. So what have I done with it? I've dropped it on the floor. Oh, there we are. Right, so I've intercepted the cable, so it now connects through like that. That's so I can still use the original power unit and the assortment of plugs for other purposes. But what I'm going to do here is use this circuit board, which comes out of the power bank. So it is designed to charge an 18650 battery, because that's what was in the power bank. So now I can plug that into there, that into there, and that into a USB supply, and we should be able to charge this. Obviously I ought to cover that over with a bit of heat shrink at some time or other, or a bit of tape, just so it's safe, but that should do the job for us. So I will try that out. So for demonstration purposes, phone charger, USB lead, plug it in there, red charging light on, and we'll come back later and see if it's charged up. Can I just arrange that under there somewhere to hold it still? Yeah. Okay, so that should charge this up. As I say, I do need to put some heat shrink over that, or at least some tape, just so it's not blowing in the breeze and shorting out on anything that it comes across. Well, we've gone to permanent glow, so it's finished charging. That did take several hours. It's about 8 o'clock at night now, and I think I started it charging around about 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, something like that. Still, it's done the job. So what I will probably do is a little video of it running. I'll put a camera on top of it, time-lapse camera, and just leave it running. Yeah. Okay, well that was fun. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.